Welcome to the second part in this series of HTML for beginners. Today, we will learn about some important tags used in HTML, like the bold tag, which is used to bold our text. The strong tag is similar to bold tag, but it is used to show important text. Italic tag is used to italic our text. The M tag is similar to italic tag, but it is used to show some emphasized text. Underline tag is used to underline our text. Subscript and superscript tags are mainly used to show some chemical formulas or mathematical equations. More tags like the big tag, which is used to increase the size of the text, and the small tag, which is used to decrease the size of the text. We also have a strike tag, which is used to show a strike through our text. We also have an HR tag, which is not a container tag but an empty tag, and it is used to add a horizontal line in our text. Now we will do some coding and understand the usage of all these tags. Open a text editor, then open a new file. First of all, we should give a doc type HTML declaration, the opening tag of HTML and the closing tag, head tag. Inside the head tag, we have a title tag, and we will give the title as tags. Now let's add a heading to a web page. The heading can be using some tags. I have added some text in the body within the p tags. Now let's save our file. Don't forget to put the .html file extension. That there are few changes in our web page. Now we will compare it with our text. So let's keep it here. So you can see that the hypertext markup language is bold because we have used the bold tag here. The HTML in the brackets is italic because we have used the I tag. Now you can see that the cascading style sheets is also bold, but actually we have used the strong tag there. It works almost in the same way as the bold tag, and the EM tag which is present, EM tag works in the same way as the italic tag. Also, you can see that I have applied an underline tag for JavaScript, and the JavaScript is now underlined. This horizontal line is due to this HR tag, which is an empty tag, and it is used to add horizontal lines in our text. Now I have changed the text a little bit to show the usage of superscript and subscript tags. Let's save our file and reload here. So you can see that the line is the chemical formula of water is H2O, and here is the mathematical formula. But in H2O, we all know that the 2 should be in the subscript. So we will write a tag here. And this mathematical equation is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. But these two should be in power. So for that, we will write the superscript tag. All the superscript and subscript tags in my file, and I will save it. Let's reload and check. So now it's all fine. The formula of water is H2O with 2 in the subscript, and in this mathematical equation we have got our powers of 2. So this is how these two tags work. So that's all for today's video. We'll meet you in the next part. Thanks for watching.